6 DIY tips for a small business marketing strategy. If you have no sales, you have no business. Do you want to learn a marketing strategy that can help you promote your business without breaking the bank? I will guide you in the 6 DIY tips for a small business marketing strategy. You will definitely be excited to read these DIY tips, especially if you are a small business owner or a startup. You cannot enjoy sales without an effective marketing strategy. With these DIY tips, you can do the marketing for your own small business even if you are tight on budget. Without further ado, let's dive in and see how you can engage in a do-it-yourself digital marketing strategy without hurting the bottom line. 1. Set up your Google My Business directory. Setting up a Google My Business directory should be the first thing you do. When individuals search for local businesses on Google, Google provides them with a list of stores found in their directory. Your business will appear as one of their choices. Setting up a directory is a source of free advertising. If you want more information on filling out your Google directory, please work through our post for Google directories. 2. You will start a website. You may have thought a lot about starting a website but may not have started it yet. Keep in mind that having a website gives a strong edge to small businesses because it serves as the platform where they can explain their products and services to grab the target audience's attention. To make it simpler, here are a few things that you must add to your website. Find the questions related to your product or service and give answers on the website. Explain how your product can solve the problem of potential customers. Use a simple, conversational, and friendly tone to entice the readers and give them the right impression of your business. After following these techniques, you will see that visitors love your content and trust your solutions. Marketing works best when you focus on your customers' problems. Find out what people's problems are that your products or services can solve. Make sure to discuss your products/services in detail. 3. Get some know-how about real SEO. Do you know why I have used the word real SEO? Because rightly done search engine optimization boosts the ranking of your website and directories. It can also help you get organic traffic that directly lands on your page. Potential customers will reach out to you while searching for solutions to their problems. Another easy way to learn basic SEO techniques is to install the Yoast SEO and Rank Math plugin to your WordPress website and learn to use it on your own according to the given instructions. This is a good way if you're using a WordPress site. For a lot of small businesses, I recommend starting with a way cheaper service, Google Websites. You can buy a domain $15 a year. The website platform, it's free. There is a lot of restrictions, but it is good enough for a lot of businesses. It all depends on what your business needs are. 4. Use Facebook. Using Facebook is one of the most practical DIY advertising tools for every small business. So if you are a small business owner and want to reach out to potential clients, you should never underestimate the power of Facebook. By creating a strong FB profile, pages and groups, you can do effective marketing with only a stable internet connection and a Facebook account. To entice the people, you can upload the list of buyers who have purchased your product or service and show their loyalty in their reviews. The conversion rates you will get from Facebook will be much higher than other social media platforms. Want to make your Facebook DIY marketing strategy incredibly useful? It would be best to use location-specific Facebook ads that will cost you only a few dollars and give you excellent exposure. In this way, you can grab potential buyers' attention instead of random people who may not be interested in your products or service. 5. Do not underestimate the power of videos. Do you know that more than 80% of people prefer to watch videos to find the right solution for their problems? Being a business owner, you have various products that can solve the problems of the people. Then why should you miss a great chance to get the sale? Believe me, if you have enough courage to face the camera confidently, it can do wonders. Seems hard? But you can do it. There are other styles of videos than showing your face. But if you still need help, you can look into freelance services like Fiverr to help you with your video editing. Here you may want to ask, where should I upload the videos? You can upload them to your page and YouTube channel and share these videos on social media channels. 6. Focus on behavioral marketing. Small businesses need to keep in contact with interested customers. While focusing on the online marketing tools, you will contact various people interested in your product or service and may or may not have bought from you. It is an excellent idea to stay in touch with potential customers continuously. Keep sending personalized emails with new ideas based on the conversation you had with them in the past. This brings up the question, how will I get the email lists of the people? The simplest answer is to make it easy for people to sign up by placing a sign-up form on your website or posts. Follow these DIY tips and start marketing your business today. It is super easy to start marketing your business on your own by following these 6 DIY tips for a small business marketing strategy. Even if you can't focus on all of them at a time, You can choose just one or two of them and begin working on them right now. In the end, I would like to re-emphasize that without marketing, there are no sales, and without sales, you have no business. So get out and focus on the number one thing you need: sales. I hope you found this useful and informative. Please give us feedback so we know if this content was easy to understand and useful to you. Please reach out to our chat board or send us an email or text. Any way you decide to contact us would be greatly appreciated.